Wavin is an Orbia business and we are driven by a shared purpose to advance life around the world. An essential part of our sustainability strategy is to generate on-site renewable electricity. And that is why I'm very proud that we are collaborating with SolarAccess again, this time in Sweden. This project will contribute to our corporate global goal to become carbon net zero by 2050.
Vi på svenska Wavin vill reducera vårt CO2-avtryck, så vi har installerat 4400 kvadratmeter med solpaneler, vilket kommer att producera ungefär 750 megawattimmar per år. Det motsvarar ungefär 200 hushåll.
As a responsible project manager from SolarAccess, I would like to thank the Wavin Sweden team for the great collaboration. We are looking forward to implement many more projects together with Wavin.